I'm going to do an unboxing of this handheld keyboard here that I got, of course, from TEMU. And I'm going to see if it's any good. And I originally got this for work. It's a pretty useful thing to have for my work, but I can still use it around the house. So I'm going to open it here. And so here's the box, and here's the handheld keyboard. Comes with some instructions and the keyboard. So, got some nice clicking to it. Here's the handheld keyboard, and I'm not exactly sure how to power it. Probably takes batteries. Oh, looks like it comes with a battery in it, and then here's the Bluetooth USB connector. See if I can turn it on. Finally found the power, I think. So there's a little switch right here. There it goes. And it's on. So I'm going to connect this to my TV and see if it works. So I'm back behind my TV, and it looks like I have one available port to plug this in. There we go. All right, let's see if it works. Pulling up YouTube TV. Okay, I've got the keyboard connected to my TV, and we're gonna see if it works, at least for typing. So I can tell you I already cheated and I started typing, so I know it works, but we will continue to type here. Okay. And let's use the directional arrows. Go to search. Press enter. And there we go. Well, I was trying to pull up my own YouTube channel. That didn't quite work out. But the keyboard works. Not all of the functionality will work with every device as you expect, but the typing works, which is pretty good. That'll save some time for typing. And I'd imagine that you might be able to change colors with this, but maybe not. Change the LED lights on the controller. It might just be blue. It's all right. It's a pretty cool controller. There's some other controls here that I'll have to play around with. But this is pretty useful if you want to save some time with typing. And again, I got this from TEMU for, I don't know, maybe $7 or $8, if that. So definitely worth it. It definitely works. And thanks for watching.